Hey guys, welcome back for another video. It's been a little while since we've been at Frank's, so we decided to do another little toy hunt for you guys, and we'll see
what we find today.
Yeah, I'm not really like hunting for anything specific.
Usually,
usually I am, but yeah, today we're just kind of like winging it. We're gonna get a nice breakfast in there before we even start doing anything. Their breakfast is bomb as hell. If you guys haven't tried the little like restaurant inside Frankenstein's. So yeah, let's go do this.
Fuck you and your mom.
Done with Frankenstein's collectible show. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. Alright guys, so first thing I picked up was this 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray of Halloween. We picked it up for $15. Rayna and I saw this, and you know, I mean, let's be honest, you guys probably already know I got like multiple copies of, you know, all the Halloweens and Fridays and stuff, but I saw the special features on this, so I'm curious to watch some of them, and you know, commentaries and all that stuff too. So yeah, we picked this up for $15, not bad. And then I don't know why I saw this dude, and you know, I collect like my NECA figures and all that, and it's not up to scale, but I'm a huge creature feature guy. I love shark movies, you know, crocodile, alligators, and stuff like that. So I thought it was pretty cool. So I said, hey, why not just pick this up? So there you guys go. And speaking of NECA figures, Rayna saw this Bronx from Gargoyles, so she had to pick him up. And I used to freaking watch Gargoyles like all the time as a kid, but it's been a minute, so I gotta probably catch up, rewatch you know, the series. But I remember freaking loving this as a kid as well, and she's a huge fan, obviously, that's why she picked that up. And for me, she picked up this Ghostface Inferno figure for me. I liked it because it has like all the different variant, you know, masks and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty interesting. You got all the weapons there and stuff. And then the image. Cool freaking box. And yeah, there you guys go. That's what we picked up this time around toy hunting at Frankenson's. Alright, didn't pick up much, but the stuff I did pick up I freaking loved. So yeah, that's all that matters with these little toy hunting videos I do. But yeah, if you guys liked it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next video.